Hi, welcome to Shi SiSi's learning series, where we do crafts, we do art and science, and sometimes we do read a lot and stuff. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Cheyenne. This is Sierra. Today we're going to be making Ooblek, and first we're going to read an article to you guys from Scientific American. Okay, let's get started. Why is it so hard to get out of quicksand? Is it a solid? Is it a liquid? Can it be both? In this activity, you will make a substance that is similar to quicksand, but much more fun. Play around with it and find out how it acts differently from a normal liquid and a normal solid. Other more familiar substances change states from solids to liquids to gases. When we change the temperature, such as freezing water into ice or boiling it away into steam. But this simple mixture shows how changes in pressure instead of temperature can change the properties of some materials. So first, we're gonna add water. Okay, let me show you. Here, we have a measuring cup to measure how much stuff we have. Water that is dyed green. You can choose if you want to dye your water. Oh. And this is cornstarch. Okay, so you're gonna need one cup of water. So let's 1 cup. Let's each pour 1 cup.
No.
Yeah.
Put the 1 cup. Stop.
Okay. Can you
So you're gonna pour 1 cup of water. That's my turn. 1 cup of water. Oh, I need more water. Okay.
After that, we're gonna need 1 to 2 cups of cornstarch. I'm just gonna go get a cup of 1, like a measuring cup thing. After she comes,
I need to use a fork. We don't have any more spoons that are washed, so I need to use a fork. Why does mine look so weird? Okay, this is mine, guys. It's green water. Okay. Now,
we're gonna use some cornstarch to make it into Ooblek. So 2 cups
of cornstarch.
2 cups.
Now using a fork. You can see cut open cornstarch. Oh no! Give me the cornstarch. Let me move her bowl and show you what she did.
It's fine. I think that's enough.
She's cleaning that up.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
This is me pouring it.
Oh.
Try to keep it clean at your house, because this is what happens at our house. Trouble. This isn't gonna be good, guys.
It's fine.
And
wait, no. Excuse you.
Okay, so as you can see, I am stirring my Ooblek. Oh, I feel the Ooblek is forming.
I'm still adding my cornstarch.
I got Ooblek. Okay, I'm trying to find the Ooblek. I have Ooblek. I think it all just melted. It all just melted. It really did. No, seriously, you're supposed to feel it. This is Sierra's Ooblek. As you can see, it's liquid. And then it's hard in the bowl. Now, let me show you guys what happened when we made our Ooblek. I hope your guys' is better than ours.
Wait, just look at this Ooblek.
That is her Ooblek. And that is the mess from you guys. and show you. Okay, so this is the mess that we made. So I hope your guys' oobleck is much better. I think we didn't have enough cornstarch. I think you need we just didn't have enough cornstarch. My mom had to go buy some. So I hope your guys' cornstarch turned out well. Much better than ours.
Our oobleck melted. So that's the bad part. Just hopefully yours comes out way better than ours. Bye.